Welcome to Zari's Dreamworld, a serene sanctuary for those wishing to embark on a reading adventure. If you find yourself eager to dive into the pages but unsure where to start, you are in the right place. Tip 1. Start small. Begin with short stories or light self-help books to ease into the habit. Tip 2. Create a reading ritual. Establish a cozy reading ritual, perhaps paired with your evening tea, transforming your reading time into a cherished moment. Tip 3. Choose the right book for you. Choose books that ignite your passion, whether lighthearted fiction or inspiring nonfiction, focusing on what speaks to your heart. Tip 4. Track progress, not perfection. Remember, it's not about racing to finish. Every page counts. Tip 5. Make it fun. Embrace different formats like audiobooks or graphic novels for added fun. Let reading become a gentle escape, guiding you back to yourself, one page at a time. If this helped you feel a little calmer, you belong here. Hit subscribe and join us in Zari's Dreamworld, where books, peace, and self-growth meet. Stay curious, stay positive.